Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I'm glad you're all here. First thing I want to do is say thank you to all the channel members. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I want to say thank you to all the channel subscribers. Thank you, thank you. And just thank you for anybody coming in to check out my knife, my EDC content. I really appreciate it. You guys are the reason I make content, and I'm glad you're here. If you're so inclined and you enjoy it, please do hit that subscribe button and that bell notification icon down there. It really does help the channel out. So today we've got an unboxing sent to us from Axial Gear, Axial Knives, and from Axial in general. And I can tell that this is not one of the regular knives, i.e. an OTF. This is going to be one of the fixies. This is going to be an, let's just get into it. Alright, got a little lanyard, 2 action, little titanium bead, whoops, a little lanyard action to tie on there. Drop that in here. Alright, so guys, this is going to be one of the DLC coated Axial Knives, USA made EDC Fixie, the Alpine. This is the Alpine Tanto. Alright guys, I don't know if y'all were on the live, was it last week when we were on and Tag was on with us? I think it was last week, and we were looking at these. These are the DLC coated. Oh, that feels so good. Little Axial. See, Axial there. MagnaCut. Made in the USA right there. DLC blade. G10 handle that feels fantastic. This knife is a lot lighter than the one with the titanium handles that I have. My Wharncliffe. Let's grab some paper real quick. Tag was nice enough to send this for me to check out, share with you guys. Whoops. That's the front edge. Very toothy. And very pokey, which again is what I love about the Tanto, is I love that point. I love the aggressive look of it. I think it looks just awesome. I almost grabbed my little Axial coaster there. So yeah guys, the DLC coated, just kind of showing it to y'all. Axial Alpine in MagnaCut. What a great little knife. I love the swedge. You've got this really sharp spine here at the back, and then you've got this nice swedge here at the front. You've got this what I'd call kind of an American Tanto tip with this grind right here, and then you got this tall flat. The DLC looks great. You can still see barely the USA logo, and you can barely see the Axial logo there. But what a gorgeous knife. Right here on the blade, you can see the CPM-MagnaCut. Feels great in the hand, guys. Anyways, this is just an unboxing. So the goal is now to put this in my pocket, to carry it, to let you guys know what I think about it. It's got absolute perfect retention like the Wharncliffe does. Pops out. Still got some oil in there, which is fine. But yeah, guys, I am stoked to have this knife, to check it out, to share it with you guys. I think it looks awesome. These are USA made fixies, under 250 bucks. I want to say they start at 189, I think, and then this one I want to say was around 230 with the DLC, and you can either get it in the Tanto, the Drop Point, or the Wharncliffe. So we will do a full review on this, and I'll show it to you guys, do some size comparisons, get some measurements on it. We'll compare it to the Wharncliffe, but I'm stoked to check it out. I'm stoked to share it with you guys. Stoked the tag thought enough of me to send it to the channel. Let's check it out. Guys, I appreciate you. I do ask that you look out for the guy or gal to your left. I ask that you look out for the guy or gal to your right. I ask that you look out for one another. Go forward with love in your hearts and choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.